Welcome to TPM's 3-Minute Thursday. If you like improving products, you'll enjoy this week's case study about an adjustable height desk. Let's start with some quick background. Getting a brand new desk was great, but I quickly discovered a few problems. Most importantly, the offset height wasn't suited for my needs with low-profile monitors. I needed to increase the offset 3 inches. I also saw an opportunity to improve the field of view to the keyboard and even increase the width of the tray. The solution was to design new brackets for the tray, and it turned out to be a great application for the new topology study. If you're not familiar, topology allows engineers to reduce material but still meet the stiffness requirements. For more information, check out Robbie's video from March. So after taking some measurements and sketching out some ideas, I modeled a simple bracket shape and went to work doing some static analysis. The results showed that I had plenty of strength, so it was time to remove some material. Setting up the topology study was as simple as drag and drop from the static study. I then input the goal, selecting to minimize mass with the displacement constant, and I ran the study. Within minutes, I had a good visual where I could remove material. Saving the resulting geometry as graphics bodies allowed me to visually overlay while I was modeling so I could reference and cut away some material. I did some trial and error and ran through a few iterations until I felt I had the design just right. It was a combination of exactly what topology study results showed me and a bit of adjustments for aesthetics. Before printing, I ran a final, high-quality static analysis and confirmed the desired low deflection of the new design. In fact, I was actually down to 3.2 millimeters compared to my initial 4.5. I used this process and what I learned to model the opposite side and further improve on the technique and the final design. Once finished with the modeling, I was able to catch a few last-minute issues by assembling in SOLIDWORKS, taking some measurements, and even rendering in Visualize. I'm glad I spent a few minutes doing this because I was able to get the design right on the first print. The entire process worked seamlessly, and topology enabled me to reduce 31% of the material used to print my brackets. This was a significant savings. Final assembly was a perfect fit, and I'm now enjoying a customized desk complete with logos. Thanks for watching TPM's 3-Minute Thursday.